Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. The best way to cook Hyderabadi Mutton Tahari. Take 600 grams basmati rice. Wash and soak the basmati rice for 20 minutes. Take a heavy button pot at 3 tablespoons cooking oil, 2-piece bay leaves, a half teaspoon caraway seeds, 5 pods of cardamom, 2-piece cloves, 2-piece cinnamon sticks. Mix, let him crackle. Now add 8 chopped tomatoes and cook in low flame. If you like our video, please like, share and subscribe. Add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic, a half teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon red chili powder, a half teaspoon salt and mix well. Cook in low flame for 5 minutes. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on bell icon to get notification. Now add 400 grams mutton, a half teaspoon whole spices powder and mix well. Cover the lid and tomatoes cook until they soften and mutton tender. Remove the cover. Now add a half cup chopped coriander leaves, a half cup chopped mint leaves, 100 grams whisked curd. Still, if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe. You will receive amazing, tasty and easy recipes. Mix well and cover the lid. Cook in low flame for 10 minutes. Remove cover and add water, double of rice. One teaspoon salt, add as per required. 1 piece lemon juice. Bring water to boil and add soaked rice. Cook in high flame and cover the lid. Still, if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe. You will receive amazing, tasty and easy recipes. Open the lid and mix once again. The lid. Cook in low flame for 20 minutes. Take 150 grams curd in a bowl. Add 1 teaspoon chopped coriander leaves, 1.5 teaspoon grated carrot, a half teaspoon salt. Add water as per required. Mix everything well until it's nicely combined. Hyderabadi Mutton Tahari is ready to serve hot with curd sauce. Remove in a plate. Let's check the rice with mutton. Very delicious. Mutton very soft and looks tasty. It looks very delicious and tasty. Thanks for watching our video. Bye bye. See you again with another recipe.